Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring this incredible 40-foot tiny house with 3 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a modern kitchen. Can I find all the hidden features? Today, we're stepping inside a truly unique tiny house that's packed with features you wouldn't normally expect to find in a home of this size. With 3 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a modern kitchen, this 40-foot tiny house is the epitome of tiny living done right. But what really sets it apart is its ability to balance functionality with style, creating a space that feels both cozy and spacious at the same time. One of the biggest misconceptions about tiny houses is that they're cramped and lacking in functionality. People assume that living in a small space means sacrificing comfort and convenience. But this tiny house is here to prove that notion wrong. From the moment you step inside, you'll be struck by the sense of openness and airiness that permeates every room. The clever use of space and clever design solutions ensures that every inch of this home is utilized to its fullest potential. Another common misconception is that tiny houses are only suitable for singles or couples. But this 40-foot tiny house is perfect for small families or groups of friends who want to live together in comfort. The 3 bedrooms provide ample space for everyone to have their own private retreat, while the communal areas are designed to bring people together. And let's not forget the bathroom, a sanctuary of peace and tranquility that's the perfect place to relax and unwind after a long day. Many people assume that tiny houses are only for minimalists who are willing to sacrifice their belongings and live with the bare essentials. But this tiny house is designed for people who want to live in comfort and style, without sacrificing their love of possessions. With plenty of clever storage solutions and innovative design features, you'll be amazed at how much can fit into this tiny space. I'm excited to take you on a tour of this incredible tiny house and show you all the hidden features and design solutions that make it so special. From the modern kitchen to the cozy bedrooms, every room is a masterclass in tiny house design. So let's get started and see what secrets this tiny house has in store for us. As we make our way through the house, you'll notice that every room is designed to be multifunctional. The kitchen, for example, is not only a space for cooking and eating, but also a hub for socializing and relaxing. The living area is equipped with clever storage solutions, including hidden compartments and secret shelves that maximize every inch of space. And the bedrooms are designed to be peaceful retreats, with plush furnishings and clever design features that make them feel like luxury hotel suites. One of my favorite features of this tiny house is the way it uses natural light to create a sense of openness and airiness. The large windows and skylights allow sunlight to flood into every room, making the space feel bright and welcoming. And the clever use of mirrors and reflective surfaces adds an extra layer of depth and dimensionality to the space. As we move through the house, keep an eye out for the clever design solutions that make this tiny house so special. From the hidden storage compartments to the multi-purpose furniture, every aspect of this home has been carefully considered to create a space that's both functional and beautiful. And be sure to pay attention to the little details, the decorative touches that add a sense of personality and style to every room. But what really sets this tiny house apart is its ability to surprise and delight. From the hidden storage solutions to the secret rooms, there's always something new to discover. So let's keep exploring and see what other secrets this tiny house has in store for us. As we near the end of our tour, I want to take a step back and appreciate just how incredible this 40-foot tiny house really is. With its modern kitchen, 3 bedrooms, and bathroom, it's the perfect combination of form and function. And the clever design solutions and innovative features that make it so special are truly inspiring. Thanks for joining me on this tour of this amazing tiny house. I hope you've enjoyed seeing all the hidden features and design solutions that make it so special. What did you like best about this tiny house? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe for more tiny house tours and home makeovers. See you in the next video.